Hello everybody! My name is Jean-Marie Roussier. I'm an engineer and a naval architect from the French school ENSTA, École Nationale Supérieure des Techniques Avancées. I have worked for several shipyards and for the French notified body ICMN, and I'm now self-employed. My goal is to support shipyards in their procedure for CA certification, and I will be your instructor. I'm going to talk about the Directive 2013-53 EU of the European Parliament and of the Council on recreational craft and personal watercraft and repealing Directive 94/25 EC. You know that impression of filling out documents without knowing what is expected from you? Owner manual, technical file, written declaration of conformity? You usually go through several stages. You are skeptical. We have always done it like that. Before it was simpler. The standard will kill us. Or you dodge. Well, it's an administrative problem. I put compliant everywhere. It's okay. No. There are legal aspects. There are technical aspects. Let's be pragmatic. Let's navigate together. The goal of this course is to contribute to a better understanding of the EU rule for CA certification. Sexy, isn't it? I will be your compass. Get on board.